Samsung Galaxy M11 alleged specifications, renders leaked, all you need to know. We have been hearing about Samsung Galaxy M11 for over 3 months now, and while the smartphone is yet to an official debut, perhaps because of the coronavirus outbreak, a new leak has surfaced online, claiming to bring us another look at this upcoming Samsung smartphone. The leak includes various official-looking renders of the Galaxy M11 as well as the alleged specifications of the phone. To recall, Samsung Galaxy M11 was last reportedly spotted in the database of a Taiwanese regulator, and a listing tipped the presence of 5,000 mAh battery in the phone. The leaked renders seem to be in line with what we have seen in the past, including the purported Google Play console listing that included a photo of the Galaxy M11. The same resolution was also spotted in the leaked Google Play console listing. Additionally, the phone is said to come with a rear fingerprint sensor, and the same can be seen in the leaked press render. Further, the phone is reportedly going to include a triple rear camera setup that will house a 13-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The previously leaked Google Play console listing tipped the presence of Adreno 506 GPU, which is currently paired with 4 of Qualcomm's chips, and 3 of them are older 600 series processors.